Digital Marketing Institute is a certifying body founded in the USA by several long-standing marketers. We have years of experience in business, marketing, and more, and have put forth our combined experience to develop the Digital Marketing Institute. Marketing in the current world requires content creation. Whether it's videos, blogs, social media posts, articles, pictures, or anything else, to catch consumers' attention, you need to have content that sets you apart. Things the consumer can share and look at. This course teaches you what you need to know for creating content, how to utilize it in marketing, how it helps, and more. You'll learn the basics of content marketing through real-world examples and practice with multiple different content types, like blog posts, images, videos, and more. You'll also learn how to utilize email for marketing, using it to create powerful, engaging, and aesthetically pleasing email content for use with promotions and general advertising. Finally, you'll learn the basic hands-down of content marketing and its use cases in different contexts. This course was designed with several types of people in mind. Traditional marketers and marketing executives who are looking to play a larger, sharper game. Marketing managers and senior management wanting to move forward into the modern world. IT managers and small business owners just entering the world of digital marketing. For more information on this course and others, visit us at www.thedigitalmarketinginstitute.org. Always striving towards digital skills for all.